know there are other methods. These are just some of the things that I've used over the years to help me keep my 2007 Honda Civic Si pretty reliable. Now, the first thing I always do before I drive this car, I make sure that the temperature gauge is all the way up and the car is at full operating temperature. I'm not telling you to sit in your driveway and idle for 10 minutes, but what I'm telling you is to make sure the car is up to operating temperature before you put it under hard acceleration or do any type of pulls. Something that I've always done with this car. I've always let this thing warm up. So the next thing you guys want to do, I want to make sure you guys are checking your fluids, guys. Keep your fluids topped off. I'm talking gasoline, even though I only put in $10. I'm talking coolant. Make sure your coolant's always filled up, and make sure you have oil, guys. It's hard to see, but the coolant is topped off, guys, and you want to be sure to be checking your engine oil. I check my oil every time I drive this thing. I make sure my coolant, my oil, and my gas is somewhat topped off. All right, I never run anything on E. Had to make a quick pit stop. Lastly, the number 3, this has to do with manual transmissions. You're coming up to a stop sign or a stoplight, never keep your clutch in. Never keep your clutch in first gear or your foot on the clutch pedal. Always take your foot off of the clutch pedal, guys, and just make sure it's in neutral because it will wear out clutch components. You want to make sure you're in neutral and your foot is off the clutch pedal when you're coming to a complete stop. I'm in neutral. I got my foot off the clutch. So basically, since day one, since I started learning how to drive a manual transmission, I never rested my foot on the clutch pedal or had it in gear when I was at a complete stop, guys. Your car and your clutch will thank you. So you guys can see that my EPS light is still on. So if you guys like this video, be sure to give me a like. I'll see you guys in the next video. Just got to Ma's house. Also, I'm going to be scheduling an appointment at the Honda dealership with this car. I'm going to be bringing it to get the EPS light figured out. So hopefully it's something simple and not too crazy, and I can have normal steering again. So be sure to drop all your likes down below, drop your comments, and subscribe if you want to see more videos. Peace out. Just relax for the rest of the night.
All in when I show up. Whole place about to blow up.